This is lab 12, and we are the sensory and nervous system, and we're looking at the brain and sensory systems of a Squalus. Okay, so firstly, we'll look at the nose. This is the nares. When we turn it back over, olfactory sac, olfactory bulb, and these are housed within a cartilaginous nasal capsule. If we open up the bulb, we'd see olfactory lamellae. The ampullae of Lorenzini are on the rostral-most part, and when you kind of squeeze them, you see like jelly kind of come out, and they're basically just pores. The eye muscles now.
There are 6 eye muscles. Looking from the top, you can see 4 of them. In the back here is the lateral rectus. On the top is the dorsal rectus. And in the middle is the medial rectus. And then over here you can see the dorsal oblique. And underneath the eye, which is harder, but you can see here the ventral oblique and the ventral rectus.
We see the optic pedicle. It looks like a golfing tee, just kind of right. Where is that? Yeah.
Right there.
The white part.
Yep. And then you can also see the optic nerve running right in here. And then I'm not sure about the
Oculomotor.
ocular motor is the small one here.
This.
Next to the muscle.
Yeah.
There we go. That. Okay, the cerebral hemisphere is this. Oh, oopsies! More parts of the eye. So the fibrous tunic is basically the outermost covering of the eye, and it's composed of cornea at the front of the eye here, and sclera at the back of the eye. The lens is like a.
It's the ball that's inside.
It's the white marble ball on the inside. There it is. That was swift. Oopsies.
Nope, not as swift.
Go back. Okay. So yeah, that's the lens. The cerebral hemisphere is this part. Olfactory tract is this. The optic nerve we've seen. The third ventricle is right here, between the halves of the cerebral hemisphere. The optic lobe is this part, caudal to the cerebral hemisphere. The trochlear nerve we can't see, but we see it in pictures because it's really tiny and mostly cut off in our specimens. The body of the cerebellum is this bit right here. The oculomotor nerve we've seen. Now for the nerves. The trigeminal nerves, if we follow this distinct nerve back.
You see it better on the other side.
On the other side. This is, I guess, this is it. And it'll be pinned along with the facial nerve. The vestibulocochlear nerve is, we can't really see it well, but it's this nerve right here. It's really deep. The glossopharyngeal nerve is right caudal to that.
Show it again.
And that's a vestibulocochlear. The glossopharyngeal nerve is, if we move some of this junk
It's
out.
right here.
I think that one's the vagus. Is that the vagus? It's here on this side. Can you see it? Then the vagus is this kind of chunk of many nerves, and then right caudal to that is the occipital nerve, which there are many of. So it's literally a small branch off of the vagus, but there are many of them. That's the most prominent one we see. The medulla oblongata is this part right here, and the fourth ventricle is right here.
Well, it's the cavity.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, in
Where the
between.
medulla splits.
Where the medulla splits. Okay.
That's it.
Yeah.